5, Audrey reaches her 8 long arms out of the ocean and slithers onto shore. Lie down and pull yourself with your arms. George is jumping and squeaking.
Oh, I'm so happy to see you.
Jump and squeak, jump and squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Come and meet Audrey.
He waves wildly to some bird friends. Wave wildly.
You can do it. Try
Lie
it.
down, twittering happily.
Yeah, and then twist.
Fly.
It's so
Now
nice to
twist.
meet
Good
you.
boy, you did it.
Says Rosa the rabbit, hopping over. Hop,
Not working.
hop, hop. And here's Charlotte the
Twist
squirrel.
it. Twist it in a bit more. There you go.
Scurry, scurry, scurry. The rustle is pulling its way further out to sea.
I'm so happy to see you, Audrey.
And George
Beat
does
to
a
the
sailor
car.
dance. Do a sailor dance. Come on, kick out those feet.
Come on, all aboard.
Audrey gives them all a ride on her 8 long arms.
All done?
Merry-go-round. Pretend you're on a merry-go-round. The ocean makes soft, shushing sounds far away. Shh, shh, shh. Oh no! The waves are pulling the ocean too far away for Audrey to get back. Let's be waves! George hops up and down.
I have an idea.
Hop up and down.
Everybody left one of Audrey's arms.
And they lift
All done?
way up high.
You have to go put it back in your bedroom now.
Now, let's carry Audrey to the sea.
Oh, guys,
Shouts
I
George.
want to watch
Think of
it.
something real
It's bedtime now, though.